If you'd like to talk to KITT, the famous Knight Rider car, you can, right here at Universal.
I'm one fast car. What can I say?
Or how about your photo with King Kong? There's so much to see and do here, it's hard to decide what to do next. You might want to have your voice recorded at soundtracks. Or have your picture taken in Western costume in a Western town. How about taking the kids to see Frankenstein, Woody Woodpecker, or many other delightful characters and monsters that we've all grown up with? Or stop for a visit with Jaws, now that he's been caught and hung up for display. Before continuing your tour, why not stop and rest and relax? This was a good place to do just that.